So after removing our screen, if you look closely, this is the part where we want to take off. So first, let's get out this small screw. Next, you can take a tweezers or a flathead screwdriver to get this next part out. Pinch inside of here. Pull this up. Pull this up. There's one more latch in the bottom. It gets a little sticky to pull it out, but just use some force, get it out of there. This part here is our speaker. As long as that's still working, we won't have to replace that. As you can see with the cable, it's pretty old. Looks like it's been abused a lot, but it's okay. We have a new one. Here's our new one. Looks pretty good. Lift up the two cables because we want this all the way in the back. We don't want this one in the front of the other cables. There's 3 latches, one here, here, and at the bottom. So after you put them in the right spots, you just want to give a little pressure and push down. As soon as you got it in there, sometimes it takes a little longer. You gotta bend the metal a little bit. As soon as you have it in there, make sure it's flush, because we don't want this to get in the way when we're putting the screen back on. This one looks pretty good. A little crooked, but not bad. Let's put back in the screw. And that's all it takes to re-put on a new proximity cable.